Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing guys how you can create this one-eyed dress to impress hack, I guess. So if you want to make a minion outfit, you can do this definitely. I'm just going to color myself yellow. You can use any color you want. This is just a tutorial on what you can do. So you are going to select the sleeping mask here. Toggle the first color to whatever your skin color is, and the second one to black. And then you're going to get this ski mask, toggle to the fourth one, and you're going to color that the same as your skin color. Now you're going to want to get the face mask, and you're going to color it the cow mask. As you can see, it looks like a scary eye already. And then you're going to get where is it? I'm trying to find the goggles. Oh, it's here. And then I'm just going to throw on some overalls here and some boots. And there you got minions with just one eye. I know it's a little bit creepy, not gonna lie. But that's the tips and tricks, I guess. Let me just add some gloves here, short, turn off the fur, and I'm also going to get the doll, the teddy bear. Where is it? It's in here. And I'm just gonna color it brown. And yeah, that's how you can create this one eye outfit on Dress to Impress. Here's the tutorial, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Obviously you can make scarier outfits than I'm right now, but I'll just go with the minion one. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.